Searching and filtering in Mindscope. You can start off a candidate search by clicking on the candidate module and basic search at the top right. Items that you can search on are stuff like contact information, such as the candidate's phone number or email, availability, someone who's available or not available between particular dates. You can conduct a schedule activity information search. Perhaps you need to see everyone that you phone called or interviewed last week. The free text search is a full Boolean search. It can be conducted on the resumes, the profile notes, the general notes, or emails. The location search can be used to find candidates in a particular city, or even using the located within to find candidates who are 10 kilometers or miles from a particular zip or postal code. The general information can be used to locate candidates with a certain years of experience, or maybe the ones with a particular date of birth or social security number. The rate preferences can be used to find candidates who've defined in their profile a rate preference. So if you're looking for a candidate who would accept a permanent role between $40,000 and $60,000. The category can be used to search for candidates by division, department, ownerships, or account manager. The latest employment information search is searching the candidate's most current or present company or title. Your search can be combined with skills. For skills, you can either click below and locate the skill from various different categories, or you can start to type in the search field. You can also combine your search with custom fields. Any fields that you have set up in the database as a custom field can be searched on here. Items can be made required or optional. In this case, I'm searching for all of the original resumes and all of the historical resumes for the keywords Java and SQL. Because I have not marked this as optional, it's considered a requirement, where my candidates must have this to show up in my search. The country is listed as Canada. This is optional. If any candidates have Canada as a country, they'll have a higher ranking in your search. They'll appear at the top, and any candidates who don't have a country defined or in a different country will be at the bottom. But since this is optional, no one's excluded. Before conducting your search, you can type in a search criteria name to save it under that name. You can also review your search. Once you are done, click on Search and Save. Your results will appear on the table right away, and every column is used for filtering. If you wish to filter by title, contains, does not contain, starts with, ends with, equals, or does not equal, you can go ahead and do so. So if I say contains, and I put senior, hit my enter key, it'll now filter for any title that contains the word senior. The columns can be moved around by dragging and dropping, and you can also turn off or turn on different columns. To do this, you would use the column selector button on the right. And from here, you can choose to take out particular columns that you don't need and bring in other columns that you wish to view. Once you're done, click on Apply, and your changes get saved right away. Now, every other search moving forward will have the same sort of look and feel. Every user has their own view. To reset your filter, you can either erase the filter, click on Enter, or use the Reset filter at the top right. Items that have a preset drop-down menu would have a little filter beside the name. When clicked, you can easily search or click below on the different choices. For dates, you can go ahead and do equals, does not equal, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or between. After conducting searches, at the top, you can go ahead and rename a search list, delete the list, search within the search, search and append, or rerun a search at any time. Based on your company preferences, you can have the last 3 or up to 50 searches saved.